Hello guys, welcome back. This is Adhay and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's try some eyelashes. As always, if you like anything, I'll leave it linked down below with timestamps and everything. It is a never-ending cycle for me because I'm always looking for eyelashes, great quality, that look great, feel great. As I was scrolling through Amazon, I found some good lashes, or so they look good in the advertisement. I wasn't looking for anything in particular when it came to finding these lashes. I was just looking, I was just scrolling and seeing what lashes caught my attention, and there was quite a few. So we're gonna try them on. I think one pair only I have used already, and spoiler alert, I have loved it. This time around I got 6 pairs. I got pinks and I got blues. It is the battle of pink and blue. As always, you guys know I'm always looking for quality, quantity, and at a great price. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with these, and I'm going to start with the lightest one. This one in particular, I have never come across something like this. These eyelashes look a little bit different than anything that I have tried before. This is how they look. They are placed in a clustered way, if you guys see, so it is definitely something new for me, and we're gonna see how they look. I'm going to use my duo for the glue. I'm going to cut maybe a little bit on the outer corner. While this dries up, can we admire this necklace? It is so pretty. It is from Ana Luisa's, right? What do we think? It is so flirty. It is, I think this is the real definition of flirty. And this is both of them on. What do we think? Honestly, they give me so much flirty vibes. Next, we're going on with this one right over here. It is also angled, wispy, but not in a clustered way like the previous one. The band feels gummy and a little bit on the sturdier side. Just going to, yeah, we're gonna need to cut this definitely. Here goes. What do we think? They look really nice. Let's go ahead and try the other one. What do we think? I can definitely tell you that I really like. I really like. As we go, can you guys tell me which one out of all the ones that I tried do you guys like more? Next, we're going with these, and these are the ones that I have tried. The issue with this one that I encountered was that when I applied one lash, the other didn't 100% look the same. So that's why I had a little bit of a hard time with that one. It does have a lot of glue residue from the packaging, so that's the annoying part, because I have to do this and really take off that excess glue. Ready to try it? Ooh, cute. When you find the right pair, it is an amazing feeling. They have the drama without them being too long, and I think that for me is the perfect mixture. So pretty. These lashes are getting better and better as the time comes. They are more wispy, they're more realistic, you could say. They are looking better and better each day. We're going with the blue package. This style is more oval compared to the ones that I have tried right now, which are more angled. This is how they look. These look very uniformed compared to the previous ones that are more like wispy. They do look long. The band feels a little stiff, but nothing that can't be managed. Okay. At first when I tried them on, I wasn't really liking them because, I don't know, they look off. Right now that they're fully attached to my eyelid, I think I like them a little more. Not as much as the other ones. What I don't like is that they are long outwards without showing much upwards. I'm not sure if I'm making sense. Okay. Do we see? They don't look bad, but I think they're probably not my style. Although it doesn't appear to show in camera, but they are longer than the other ones. These are just come out a little straight. This one, I am very excited because it looks really nice right here in the packaging. You guys will see right now. It is also a caddy style. This is how they look. You guys, I think I'm gonna love these. I think I'm gonna love these. Oh, I think I needed to cut it a little more. Oh my goodness. I am buying 10 of these. I am definitely buying 10 of these. I love them. 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 You guys better go get one of these before I go ahead and purchase all of them. Because I will. Last but not least, we're going to try these. They remind me of the super long eyelashes. So if you guys remember that video, I wasn't feeling myself. I'll link it somewhere down below. But yeah, it was just a funny video. It looked like that. What do we think? Oh my gosh. I am surprised. I am very surprised. I didn't think they were going to look like this, honestly. I thought they were going to look a little more wild, but they don't. They look very nice. You guys, what do we think? I didn't expect to like these at all, honestly. And I, as you guys heard, I told you guys at the beginning of trying these. Second favorite for sure. Second favorite. They are longer, but they look very nice. That was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, because I know I did. I love trying eyelashes. We have to save the world one eyelash at a time. All the eyelashes that I tried on today, I will leave them linked down below and timestamps for you guys to see which ones you guys like. Also, a quick reminder, if you like any of these lashes, grab them once they're there, because sometimes these eyelashes tend to sell out and sometimes don't even come back. If you like them, get them, and if you don't, stay tuned for more eyelash videos, because as long as I can, I will continue to try on new eyelashes. If you guys have any recommendations for me, please let me know in the comments. If there's a brand that you would like for me to try, let me know. Or if a brand out there you guys want to send me some stuff, I'll also leave my information in the description for you guys to get a hold of me. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. It is always greatly appreciated, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.